welcome back to another episode. Look at the ackee tree. The ackee tree outfit broke down right now, and the amount of ackee where they find, guys. Look there. Look there. Very intense, isn't it? My God. Down at the good, watch it. The pick up speed, you know, man. Look at that. Massa. I don't think we can ever prepare for this hurricane. Man, very windy all over the place. Very windy in Manchester. At my side where I live, this is how the weather is. Alright, it's a banana tree, I see drop down, you know, and ackee tree tear down, you know. That's how intense the weather get in Manchester. The stuff them are drop down and are rooted out of the ground. Banana tree fall down, and you have the ackee tree fall down, and then you have this jelly tree over here on to fall down right now in Manchester. So the breeze is getting very intense in Manchester right now. All it plays for the okay. I will start getting the rain now. Right now, guys, the rain is upon us now in Manchester. The rain is coming down and it's getting very aggressive, the wind. Look over there. And all it plays for the okay. I will start getting the rain now.